Now let's talk about another important concept, which is cherry pick. Okay, so the cherry pick is nothing but picking a specific commit from another branch to your current branch or any branch from branch A to branch B. Okay, so what is cherry picking? So cherry picking is nothing but, for example, if you see, suppose this is your main branch. Okay, this is your main branch, and you have created another branch, okay, which has this commit history, and from here you have created another branch which has this commit history. Okay, multiple commits. Now I'm working on this branch, and I have currently I'm adding some changes, but there were some changes which were added in this branch, okay, in this branch, but that particular commit, I mean, the set of commits like from this branch, all these commits, or this a particular commit which contains all the changes that I require to work in this branch, but this branch was not merged, so I just want to pick that particular commit into this branch. Okay, so this is where cherry pick comes in into the picture. So let's quickly do that. So in order to use the cherry pick, what we can do is, for currently we can check how many branches we have. So currently we have two branches, featured 2 and main. So let's do one thing. Let's create another branch. So git checkout, we can use git checkout -b, and then we can create another branch, and we can name the branch like um, feature 3. Okay, and I've switched to that branch. Let's add let's add another file in this branch. Okay, sample2.md. okay, and I can add something like sample2. Okay, and this change exists currently in the feature 3 branch. Okay, so we have this change. Now if you see, sorry, git status. So if you see, we have this change. Okay, now let's commit it quickly. Okay, so git add dot is see git status, it's in the staging area. Let's quickly commit it, add sample to file. Okay, and this is done. So if you check git log, you'll see add sample to file, which is in the feature 3 branch. Okay, now I want to bring this change in the main branch without merging this branch. Okay, so how I can do that? I'll go I'll check out to main branch, and okay, I can check out to main branch, and now I want to bring changes. So see, currently main branch doesn't have this change, right? So one way is to merge that branch, but suppose that branch has multiple commits, but I just want to bring that particular commit, not the whole history of commits in that branch. Okay, so yeah, I think first we forgot to get the commit hash. So let's check out again, git checkout to feature 3 branch. Okay, and check the git log. So this is the commit hash that we want, but not the whole. So there is another flag that we can provide, git log 1 line, and this will give us, yeah, crisp commit logs. So we can simply copy this commit hash, okay, and go back to our main branch, and now we want to pick that particular commit into the main branch. Okay, so how we can do that? We can simply use the cherry pick. This is the command, and then you provide the commit hash. If you hit enter, you'll see that we have added that commit. See, add sample to file, and this commit now sorry, this commit got added in this branch. And now if you check the log, see, the change got added with this commit AB0587, something like that. Okay, but see, we picked this commit, but it got added as a different commit. Okay, changes were picked from this commit, but the same commit got added, the changes from that commit got added in the main branch, but the commit hash got changed. Okay, so that commit still exists, but the changes from the same commit also exist now in the main branch with this commit hash. Okay, so yeah, so you can pick multiple commits from other branch to this branch by simply providing space separated commit hash. So for example, we picked like this, you can provide some other commit hash like this, and space separated something like this. So it will pick all those commits and create for every commit it will create another commit inside this branch. All right, so that's there. Now suppose I want to bring those changes from the other branch, but I don't want to commit implicitly, right? So currently what happened, it brought the changes and it also committed. All right, it directly committed those changes in this branch, but what I want to bring that change in this branch, but I want to make some changes before I commit. So in that case, what we can do is see, let's go back to that branch. Okay, git checkout feature 3, and now I want let's add some more changes here. Okay, another changes. Okay, I'll save it. Let's go here and commit from here. More changes. Okay, and I'll commit it. Okay, so now we check git log, one line. See, more changes we have. Okay, now I want to take this change and put it in the main branch. I'll go into the main branch and I want to bring that change, but I don't want to commit the same change in this branch implicitly. So what I'll do git cherry pick and provide the commit hash, but now along with this I'll also provide another flag, which is -n. Okay, so this will ensure that the change that we brought from the other branch doesn't get implicitly committed in this branch. So if we hit enter, see, the change is here. Okay, but it's in the it's not committed. Either it's in the staging area, it's in the staging area. Okay, so if you check the status, you'll see it's in the staging area, but it's not committed. Okay, so now I want to change. Okay, this I wanted to make it capital A, so I'll save it. So see, there are some changes in the staging area of the same file, and there are some changes in the currently working area. So if you check the status, you'll see the same file has two different changes. Okay, some changes are in the staging area and some changes are in the working area. All right, now I want to add whatever changes we did, again add this change also in the staging area. What I can do is simply git add dot, and then it will add that change again in the staging area. Now we have changes in the staging area. Now we can commit it. Okay, so now we can simply commit, and whatever message you want to provide, it will add that message. So another changes, right, another changes with explicit. I think I can type explicit commit. All right, so that change got committed. Now if you check the log, so not online, one line. So yeah, you can see that change is here and with this message, right? So that's about the cherry pick. It's a very helpful command, and you'll be using this command not very frequently, but not very rarely as well. So yeah, just practice this. This is very easy to use and it's very helpful. Okay.